In this video I'm going to show you how to use Face ID to install apps from App Store. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. Now if I want to download some app from App Store, I can hit Add Get button, and now it says that I have to enter Apple ID password. It's kind of inconvenient and I want to use my Face ID to install the apps. So now all I have to do is go into settings. There, scroll down for a bit, and now I have to get into Face ID and passcode, enter my passcode here, and then I have to enable iTunes and App Store feature. There you have to enter your Apple ID password and then tap on OK. Now you can go back and you have to enter screen time. There, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure that you enabled that option, and after that tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. And now you have to switch that option. By default is set to Always Require, just tap on Don't Require. And now we can go back to App Store and let's see what happened if I'll try to download some app. Now I just have to double tap on power button and I have just identified myself using Face ID, and now this app is getting downloaded. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.